A quick tutorial for how to change your language in openSUSE Tumbleweed slow roll. So what you're going to do is look for System and System Settings. Click on that. It will open. Then you will go to Keyboard. Keyboard is the mainstay. Then you can go to Enable under Layouts. And here's where you're going to see your current language. So click on Add. And then we're just going to look for English. So under English, you're going to see like UK, United States, every country that has a derivative or their type of English. And this includes keyboard layout. So we're just going to click on India, and then you're going to select Indian if that's what you need for your language layout. So I'm not going to hit save, so I'm just going to cancel this and back out. But you can add multiple languages here, and this is a KDE specific change. So if you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.